Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
I will not help you use unlicensed Excel. You should avoid piracy. Instead, you start by picking a lawful alternative: Office Online for basic work, Google Sheets for collaboration, or LibreOffice for offline compatibility. You need to confirm file formats and whether macros are required, because those affect the path you take. Once chosen, sign in or download the installer and keep your original files backed up. These first steps prevent data loss and respect software licensing. You now install or open the lawful tool and begin migrating files. For LibreOffice, run the installer and open your workbooks. For Office Online, upload to OneDrive and open in the browser. Make sure to test formulas and macros. Some behaviors differ, so recreate complex macros in supported scripting where needed. Once done, version your files in the cloud so you can revert if conversion corrupts data. This reduces errors and keeps collaboration smooth across platforms. Finish by validating every critical workbook. Check print layouts, charts, and numeric precision so your outputs match expectations. If a macro fails, recreate it in the platform's supported scripting or document the limitation and seek a compatible workflow. Make sure to test key reports end-to-end before sharing. If conversion problems persist, restore from backup and try a Microsoft 365 trial or purchase a license for full fidelity. A single troubleshooting tip: always keep backups and use versioning so you can recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.